let's share the moment. Give me a sec, I forgot to close down the shed. Back on the road again. Just going to take it easy first little while. I don't know why, seems like the right thing to do. Obviously this isn't like a review of suspension or something that's really obvious. Yeah, what do you say about the head? Apart from the fact that all is well so far. I've had the car running for 15 minutes while I gave the cooling system a really good flush out. I haven't put any coolant in the water, I've just put water only, and I'll just let the thermostat open, and pretty sure the thermostat opened while I was cleaning out the coolant system. But just in case it didn't, the thermostat will open while I'm driving. When I get back, I'll dump the water while it's running and have it filling at the same time, so with the thermostat open it'll flush out the heater core, the turbo lines, what else? Yeah, just all the galleries basically beyond the thermostat as well. Going well. My first run on my Kiwi Cylinder Head.